How to make beach typography in Canva. Search Typecraft in-app section. Open the Typecraft app and change the font to Anton. And change its color to white. Then, type beach in the text box. Stretch the text vertically to achieve your desired look. Once you're happy with the text, click the Add this design button. Next, go to the Elements panel and select the rectangle shape. Adjust the size and position of the rectangle to complement your text design. Right-click on the rectangle and choose Send to Back to place it behind the text. Adjust its size a little bit. Finally, click the Share button and select Download as PNG to save your creation as a PNG image. Next, create a new page. Go to the Upload option, click Upload Files, and select the design you previously created. Make any minor adjustments you see fit. Then, navigate to the Image Editing tools and click Background Remover to remove the existing background from your design. From the Elements panel, choose a beach image that suits your taste. I cannot assist with selecting a specific image since it depends on your preference. Right-click on the beach image and select Send to Back to position it behind your text. Carefully adjust the beach image to achieve a visually pleasing composition. Finally, click the Share button and select Download as PNG to save your final design as a PNG file. After creating a new page, go to the Upload option. Click Upload Files and select your previously created design. Make any necessary adjustments to it. Next, navigate to the Image Editing tools and click Background Remover to remove the background. Now, to create a layered effect, duplicate the image. Go to Edit Image and click on Adjust and do some adjustment in the brightness like that. Creating additional duplicates and positioning them slightly above the previous one. Yeah, like that. I am doing it fast because it's a repetitive process. Bring the duplicate to the front, right-click on the duplicate layer and choose Bring to Front. Adjust it very perfectly. Go to Edit Image and then go to Adjustment and increase its temperature. Add leaves. In the Elements panel, search for leaves and select an image you like. Drag and drop the leaf image onto your design. Resize and position the leaves. Then put it on the letters and make duplicate of them and adjust them like that. Do the same what I'm doing it right now. Now, duplicate the image and go to Edit the image. Then go to Adjustments and decrease its brightness. This creates our shadow, and our work is done. And put duplicate images on the shadow we created. Now, go to the Share button and download it as a PNG file. If you like my design, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thank you.